Hi, I'm Jennifer Wasilak with Signature Realty Group RE/MAX at Lake of the Ozarks. I'm here at this beautiful 3,200 square foot home, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, located in a quaint neighborhood in the heart of Osage Beach, right down KK Road. This home comes fully furnished with furniture and decor by Embellishments Decor Design. It is absolutely turnkey ready. All you have to do is hang your clothes in the closet and start entertaining. Does this sound great for you? Well, welcome to 1875 Southview Shore Drive. Let's take a look inside. When entering the heart of the home, you come into where you're going to spend most of your time entertaining inside. To the left, we've got a bar, perfect for drinks before going out on the boat. And to the right, we've got a view of the lake right off the spacious living room. This is the perfect spot to entertain friends and family before heading outside. You can't help but notice the attention to detail in this home. Nothing has been overlooked. The floors, the countertops, the backsplash, even the light fixtures, everything is pristine. Thanks for visiting 1875 Southview Shore Drive. If you'd like more information on this home, please contact Signature Realty Group at 573-302-2322. Thank you.